All Dave and Matt Van's lifestyle vehicles come with our signature all-electric kitchenette. The kitchenette supplies 7 gallons of fresh water through an on-demand electric water pump. The sink features an extendable faucet that can double as an outdoor shower head. A tall faucet and deep wash basin accommodate larger dishes and drain into an easy-to-empty 7-gallon gray water tank. The kitchenette also includes an efficient 12-volt fridge and freezer and an induction cooktop to further equip you for your culinary adventures. An electrical panel to the left of the sink provides dual 120-volt outlets, 4 USB ports, a solar charge monitor, and a battery monitor. Dimmable under-cabinet lighting allows you to create the perfect vibe in your kitchen and living area. 5 push-lock drawers and 2 overhead cabinets provide plenty of storage space and are engineered to stay closed during transit, keeping everything inside safe while you drive. The custom spice rack provides secure, easy-access storage for your most used items. Compact and efficient, this kitchenette has everything you need to stay fueled for your adventures.